وصل على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اما بعد فاعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الاول والاخر والظاهر والباطن وهو بكل شيء عليم صدق الله العلي العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Dear Islamic brothers, dear friends, seniors and brothers, this is the month of Rabiul Awwal, and for us each day of this month is the day of celebration, days of joy, days of festivity. Holy Prophet Sallallah-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam, blessings, glory, eminence cannot be explained in the day. And in fact, no human can actually speak about the greatness of Prophet ﷺ to the extent of the eminence of Prophet ﷺ. The words that I decided before you, what I wanted to share with you is that from the beginning of the Holy Quran to the end is completely the praise and poetry of God, is the praise and poetry of Prophet ﷺ. So the words that I decided, this verse reveals to us the greatness of God and reveals us the way God is. Huwa al-awwal. He is the first, the Alpha, the oldest, the one before the beginning, and that God is visible and present. If you look at the things, you will be helpless but to think of the greatness of the Almighty who made this universe. Such a creator, such an artist, who has nothing close to an example. How do we identify God with God's creation? We do it when we look at the skies, look at the earth, look at the sun and mountains and oceans. When we look at the wonders, we wonder who could plan and invent so well, so many things. Everything so accurate, in minutes, seconds, seasons, dusk, dawn, and all this from the beginning till the end. Nothing is stopped or had an error. God created elephant but with no neck. So with no neck, how will the animal move his mouth to eat food? For that, God gave a trunk so powerful, just like that for each animal. God gave eagle and falcon different tools. Such an artist he is. That is, every creation, the calculation and the skills of the creation is so accurately calculated, and that in each, how many necks to give to the insects, how many eyes how many eyes for bee and house plant. Each and every creation depicts something about its creator. Created men, created genes, God says, I created men and genes so that they worship me. In worshipping, the first action is the standing, second is going, third is prostrating, and fourth is sitting. Look at how God created humans. No animal can stand on 2 feet. Human beings are so tall and feet being so small. God gave the power to humans to balance itself with its free will. With its free will and feet being so small. God gave the power to humans to balance itself with its free will amazingly. Everything worships God. Human beings are able to stand wherever they are. The nature of mankind worships God as humans when it stands naturally in the state of worshipping. God made 4-legged animals. Those animals are always in the state of go, wherever they go. God made such creatures that crawl, snakes, lizards, spiders, etc. Some creatures God made that are mostly in sitting position, such as frog. So everything to the universe is busy in the worshiping of God, knowingly or unknowingly. The first thing God made in the creations in human beings, God made the nur, light of the Prophet Sallallahu-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam. Prophet Sallallahu-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam himself says, أَوَّلُ مَا خَلَقَ اللَّهُ نُورِي, meaning God made my nur as the first thing, and from my nur God created the rest of the worlds. Seemingly Prophet Sallallahu-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam is from the sons of Prophet Adam alayhi salam. But in actually Holy Prophet Sallallahu-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam is the father of Prophet Adam alayhi salam. For example, in trees there is flower, and in that flower there is a seed. When no seed there is no tree, but if you sow a seed in the land, the tree will grow from it. Someone asked Holy Prophet ﷺ, O Prophet, from when were you given Prophet? the Holy Prophet ﷺ replied, Kuntu nabiyyun aw Adamu bayna al-ma'i wal-teen. Meaning, I was still a prophet when Adam was in between mud and water. Meaning, when God was creating mankind, creating Prophet Adam alayhi salam from mud and water, I was prophet at that time too. So God is the first, is the alpha in God's existence. Prophet ﷺ is the first in Prophet's existence. When Prophet Adam alayhi salam opened his eyes, he saw your name. Because of the name Prophet Adam alayhi salam was forgiven by God, and the first ever worshipper was Prophet Sallallah-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam in the Kutubistan, where he used to spend 70,000 years in the standard and 70,000 years in prostration. Angel Gabriel saw it for 72,000 years. So the first worshipper ever was Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.